お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah. Today, I will try something new and weird. I will draw Levi in an egg. I don't mean by this that he's a chicken or... No. Okay, let's just talk about Attack on Titans. All the seasons are amazing, especially season 3, because I think the story has become clearer and some mysterious scenes in season 1 and 2 were explained in season 3. I'm really excited about season 4 because I have questions like, will there be a confrontation between Eren and the monkey Ziki, and who will win? For me, the best scene is when they knew the meaning of freedom. But I can find an answer to why Aisama made Eren ugly with that hair. Like, why dude? I found that all the characters are great, so I can't choose my favorite. As a fact, the first anime I saw it when I was a little girl was Attack on Titan. Thanks for watching. I will leave you now with Liggy.
Sayonara, 世界なら